Good morning, children. Children, this is your English period, so kindly get ready with the English literature copies. Today we are going to do hard words, word meanings and frame sentences in your English literature copies. Alright, so take out the copies and get ready with the session. So children, in the previous class I had explained you the chapter 8, Ace Swimmer Mihir Sen. Alright, so I hope you understood that chapter. I told you the explanation and the gist part of the chapter in the previous video. Alright, so today you have to write the hard words first. Alright, so I'm just going to read out these hard words and you have to listen the correct pronunciation of these words. Alright, and you have to learn the spellings also, but before that you have to listen the correct pronunciation. Alright, you should know the pronunciation of each and every word. So here we begin. First word is achievement. Achievement. Second word is remarkable. Remarkable. Children, I would request if you could repeat the words which I am saying, alright, so that you may able to recite the correct pronunciation. Alright, after saying one word, you have just follow me and repeat that word. Third is conqueror. Third word is conqueror. Fourth word is champion. Alright, fourth word is champion. Fifth word is lawyer. Lawyer. Sixth word is barrister. Barrister. Seventh word is rigorous. Rigorous. Eighth word is momentous. Momentous. Ninth word is continents. Continents. 10th word is daring. Daring. 11th word is shark infested. Shark infested. 12th word is hazardous. Hazardous. 13th word is unmatched. Unmatched. 14th word is deeds. Deeds. 15th word is swimmer. Swimmer. So children, here are the 15 hard words. Write it down in your English literature copy and please repeat the pronunciation of these words. In case you have any doubt, you may ask me on the WhatsApp group. So after completing hard words, move on to word meanings. Alright, so you have to write the word meanings in the copy, English literature copy. I have not written it because these word meanings are already given in the chapter itself on page number 72. So I have written the heading so that you may understand how to copy it down in the copy. You have to start from the next page, alright, from the new page. Write the heading word meanings, underline it, and downwards you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 19 word meanings. Okay children, just make it count that there are 19 word meanings. I am going to show you the word meanings in the book and you have to copy it down. See children, when you will open page number 72, the starting of the chapter 8, Ace Swimmer Mihir Sen, you will find in the right side of the page a box where few word meanings are given. Champion, prize winner. Achievements, victorious and success. Remarkable, extraordinary. Conqueror, winner. Ace, one who excels in a particular sport and expert. Dog paddled, to float in water moving about hands and legs. Barrister, lawyer, porter, a person who employed to carry luggage and other loads. Rigorous, very tough and strict. So children, when you will open page number 72, you will find these word meanings on this page. You have to copy it down in your English literature copy. All right, and on 73 page, these word meanings are given: links, connects, momentous, important, straight, a narrow passage of water connecting two seas, daring, brave, shark infested, filled with a lot of sharks. So you have to copy it down, these word meanings also in your copy. And on page 74, two word meanings are given. You have to copy it down also in your English literature copy. On 75 page, these three word meanings are given. Copy it down. So total number of word meanings are there 19 word meanings are there in your book. All right, so copy all the 19 word meanings, do not miss any. All right, so children, after completing hard words and word meanings, now you have to complete the frame sentences. All right, there are 5 words. I have made the sentences. You just copy it down in your English literature copy. Achievers: the teacher is proud of the academic achievers. Conqueror: King Ashoka was a great conqueror. Porter: railway station is full of porters. You know the meaning of porters. Porters is coolie, right? Hazardous: pollution is hazardous for our health. Hazardous means dangerous. Excel: if you study hard, you will excel in your examination. All right, so children, these are the 5 frame sentences. In case you have any doubt, you may ask on the WhatsApp group, and I'm going to send you the photograph of these frame sentences in the group, and you may copy it down. All right, so these 3 are the work you have to do in your English literature copy. And tomorrow we are going to complete question answers and back exercise of the book. All right, so till then, children, complete your work, write neat and tidy in English literature copy and send me the pictures. I'll check it and revert to you. All right, children, so thank you so much. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.